Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe for upcoming video. Today's topic is
5 effective home remedies for cracked heels. I come across the most stunning women, perfectly done makeup, not a hair out of place, bags and clothes matched together, but many a time if you look at their feet they seem neglected. I have always tried to make people understand that skin and hair care is not enough. You need to nurture and nourish every part of your body. Our feet carry the burden of our daily lives from the moment we wake up until we sleep, and keeping the same in mind, I give out easy and fuss-free home remedies for cracked heels. Just as we need to keep our face and hair well nourished, we also need to keep our feet nourished and moisturized. A pedicure twice a month is a must, especially if you mostly wear open sandals and chappals. Dead skin build-up and dryness leads to cracked heels, and it is essential to work on them when the skin starts feeling slightly hardened. Here are 5 effective home remedies for cracked heels. 1. For soft heels. Who does not wish to have smooth and soft heels? Interestingly, you only need a handful of ingredients from your kitchen to have perfectly smooth heels. You can make this wonderful concoction to soak your feet in it and see the results for yourself. For effective results, repeat the process daily. You would need 1 tub of warm soapy water, 100 ml seed oil, a handful of marbles, 500 ml full fat milk, a handful of rose petals, a handful of fresh margosa, neem leaves, 5 drops geranium oil, 5 drops sandalwood oil, 2 teaspoons wheat gum oil. Mix everything together and soak your feet in this water for about 20 minutes and pat dry. Use a pumice stone to dislodge dead skin on the heels. 2. Sea salt and oatmeal scrub. Make the following scrub and use it daily while bathing. 1 cup oatmeal, 100 ml almond oil, 100 gms sea salt, 100 gms honey, 100 gms rice powder, 10 drops juniper oil, 10 drops peppermint oil. Mix all the ingredients well and store in an airtight jar. Use a loofah and scrub daily on our feet. Not only will it help dislodge dirt and grime, but also soften dead skin and start to make the skin smoother and crack-free. 3. Oil your feet at night. I treated a client with a very simple formula of natural goodness, and I am going to share it with you. Oil your feet at night with a mixture of the following: 2 teaspoons castor oil, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons almond oil. Massage these oils on your foot. This should be done at night. Smear Vaseline into the cracks of your feet. See that it is absorbed into them very well. Melt a candle in a saucepan on a gentle flame. Use a flat brush and carefully apply to the skin. Let this cool and dry. Wear cotton socks and cover. Leave overnight. Next day in the morning, peel off from the skin and rub any remaining residue into the skin. 4. Quick remedy. Lime jord sugar. A daily 5-minute routine that you can do is to take lemon halves and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Dip the lemon halves into the sugar and scrub on the heels daily until all the granules have melted into the skin. Let it dry and wash off with water and pat dry. 5. Home pedicure. Most people do not realize that a home pedicure will also work miracles for cracked heels. Gear yourself with the following: 2 large towels, nail brush, pumice stone, loofah, nail file, buffer sponge, essential oil of ylang-ylang, 5 drops warm soapy water, 500 ml full fat warm milk, 20 ml olive oil, nourishing cream.